Serial number 24, the governing body Pranav chart versus Mahesh Datta Singh and others.
You Lord,
The
kindly
petitioners.
refer to your previous order, Your Lordship. Order dated 2/12/2021.
My Lord, before I start with the case, I would, my Lord, point out that the senior counsel who was conducting the case is now no more. He is dead. Therefore, the no objection certificate has been received to me only yesterday, my Lord.
We are concerned with the advocate on record, not senior counsel.
My Lord, advocate
Who
on
has
record
filed wakalat?
has given the no objection, my Lord, that I have received yesterday only.
Who has filed
And,
wakalat?
and my Lord, the other thing is that appellant number 2 is dead.
Huh?
Appellant number 2 is dead.
Died on what date?
My Lord,
Died on what date?
By post, it has been made party, not by name, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Professor in charge is the appellant number 2. Professor in charge. Whosoever may be.
No, in their official capacity, they have to address the argument.
my Lord.
Hmm.
Even thereafter, if my Lord is ready to hear the case, my Lord, because I have drafted the petition, my Lord, that is ready, I will file today itself.
Huh?
If my Lord so permit me, if my Lord would permit me,
For what?
for filing the petition for deletion of the name of the appellant number 2.
Huh.
It
My
is,
Lord,
the
because the
appellant
petition
number 2 is professor in charge.
my Lord,
The professor in charge has not died. The person concerned has died.
person concerned.
So the next professor in charge must be there.
Then, my Lord, the person who has executed the Okalatnama, his name has to be deleted.
Okay.
No, in his individual capacity, he has presented this appeal.
As professor in charge of the.
Huh?
As professor in
All
charge.
right. If the LPA is dismissed, his right is affected.
My Lord,
No. He is in official capacity, he has presented this.
yes, my Lord.
We are not concerned with that.
My Lord.
Please go ahead.
Yes, my Lord. Then my Lord may kindly say, my Lord, this appeal is directed against the judgment passed by this Honorable Court dated 18/2/2011. In which, my Lord, the direction which has been made, that my Lord would see from internal page 14 of the, my Lord.
Please give the dates and events.
Yes.
Respondent was appointed on what date?
Respondent was, my Lord, appointed. mm,
You have not read the papers.
my Lord, the respondent was appointed, my Lord, by pursuant to Annexure 1 of the writ petition, my Lord.
We are asking what is the date?
Date is, my Lord, 29/7/1988.
29?
7
Huh?
9088.
88.
Yes, my Lord.
As what?
As lecturer in the Department of Physics.
Department of
Physics,
Physics.
my Lord.
Huh?
At Patna Chatterjee College, Buxar.
All right.
My Lord, thereafter, his name was recommended by the College Service Commission on 18/1/2000
Recommended for what?
for, my Lord, for regularization of his
Regularization.
service. My Lord,
Huh?
on 18/1/2000,
Who has recommended?
College Service Commission, my Lord.
Bihar College Service Commission, Your Lord.
Recommended.
My Lord, 18/1/2000.
Yes.
The condition of that recommendation was
Hmm.
subject to the condition that the college is affiliated.
College is affiliated.
Affiliated.
Where is that condition?
That is Annexure 3 to the writ petition, my Lord, may kindly say.
Annexure 3 to?
Annexure 3 to the writ petition, my Lord, at page 33. At page 33, my Lord has got it. Annexure 3 to the writ petition.
Page 13.
The writ petition is there or not? Copy of writ petition probably is not there. Copy of writ petition is probably not there.
Only one.
They are
Single judge.
They are supposed to write the second copy.
From this you can go to.
वर्षों से वर्तमान में संबंधन प्राप्त
Subject to appellation. Okay.
Miller.
When is the Pranab Chatterjee College was affiliated?
My lord, the affiliation was granted up to 1995-96. Thereafter, no affiliation was there. And
Please give
again,
me one date. On what date the affiliation was granted to the
Milord.
Pranab Chatterjee College at Buxar?
my lord, that affiliation I have brought on record by my counter affidavit.
What is the court is asking?
My lord,
Date of the affiliation.
my lord, the date of affiliation is not one.
Huh?
It is different. My
At
lord.
that particular
Sir.
point of time, whether it was affiliated
All right,
or not.
what is the date?
That annexure B, if my lord would be pleased to see annexure C.
Mr. Counsel, we are
Yeah.
not tolerate. We can't tolerate like this submission. When the court is asking you a very specific pertain question,
Yes, my lord.
you should answer only the question.
It has been granted, my lord, in July 2006.
Huh?
July 2006.
12
July.
July. There is no date.
The date is, my lord.
July 2006.
Yes, my lord. On 21 July 2006, my lord.
Huh?
On
21.
21 July 2006,
Huh?
my lord, for the period, my lord, it was granted, my lord, 1996-97 to 2006-7.
What is that? 96, 97.
It is academic session, Your Lordship. Retrospective effect the affiliation.
With effect from what date?
96-97 academic session.
Now the petitioner is entitled to regularization against a lecturer post in the Department of Physics. From which date, according to you?
In the he was recommended in 2000, my lord.
Correct.
Yes, 2000, and my lord, that recommendation was on two conditions, my lord. Subject to the condition that the college must have the affiliation, which was not available
All
to the
right,
college.
sir. As on 18/1/2000, there is no affiliation.
Yes, my lord.
Huh.
And the second condition is, my lord, under the College Service Commission rules, my lord, it is the recommendation is only valid for 1 year. Under Section 9 of the College Service Commission Act, my lord.
Only 1 year.
Only 1 year.
Huh.
And therefore, my lord, it
Now
was
this recommendation by this college commission was pending, was required to be either accepted or rejected by whom?
by the committee, by the, my lord, governing body of the college.
By the
Governing the appellant before my lord.
where is the rejection?
It was not rejected because there was no affiliation.
No, it should be for 1 year, and you know the condition
Lord.
that the college was not affiliated.
Lord.
Then you should have rejected.
My lord, because the college was not affiliated at the relevant.
All right, sir.
My lord.
He is not entitled for regularization because
Lord.
college was not affiliated.
Lord.
Where is the rejection?
Rejection is not there.
Why it was not rejected?
Because there was no affiliation. My lord.
There was no.
Affiliation to the college.
No, you can't sit over the file. Either you should accept or reject.
Uh,
Whether the retrospective affiliation was only for the students, not for the lecturers.
yes, my lord.
Not for the lecturers.
No, because the recommendation is only for 1 year, valid for 1 year. That was in 2000.
2006, it was given.
That was not
retrospective
available.
effect.
That recommendation was not alive.
All right, now from what date he has been, his services are regularized?
My lord, his services have not been regularized. My lord, this honorable court
Even
was
today, his services was not
not regularized. My lord.
Why? Because the affiliation was granted on 21st July 2006. with effect from 96-97.
Milord,
He is entitled to regularization from that 96-97.
Milord, he filed a writ petition before this honorable court, that is order under appeal in 2005. After 5 years, Milord, of the recommendation.
Huh?
Milord, the respondent, the professor concerned.
Where is the scheme of regularization?
A scheme of regularization is, Milord, for that, Milord, at the relevant time in 1976, Bihar College Service Commission Act was, Milord, introduced.
No, where is the regularization scheme?
It is on the basis of the, Milord, recommendation made by the Bihar College Service Commission.
Sir, where is that? Is it a part of the record?
That is not part of the record.
Why?
That is under the Act, Milord.
Act.
Act, Milord, the Bihar
Which
College
is that
Service
act?
Commission.
Court officer, take.
Bihar College Service Commission Act 1976. University Act में है.
What about the order of the learned single judge in page 4?
Milord,
Sri Arun Mohan Prasad, Sri Kamleshwar Pathak, Sri Subhas Prasad Singh and Sri Paramatma Pathak have been regularized from the date of their initial appointment, although the recommendation from the commission regarding the aforesaid persons were received at a point of time when the college was not affiliated.
Yes, Your Lordship. It is a fact.
What you have to say about all these things? Pick and choose.
Yes.
Milord, because at the relevant time when this order was passed,
Why these gentlemen have been recommended? At that point of time, 1 year validity is there. Why these gentlemen have been recommended?
And this is also the report of the inquiry committee duly constituted by the university, Your Lordship. And even the letter which has been issued by the governing body, Annexure 14 of the supplementary affidavit, Your Lordship.
Let them clarify.
Lordship. They have admitted that the services of petitioner will be regularized when the affiliation is granted. And affiliation was granted with retrospective effect, even though
Which is the relevant paragraph of regularization? Which requires that recommendation is required, recommendation is mandatory?
yes, Milord, that my Lord would, Milord, find. Milord, establishment, section 2, Milord, of the Act,
What is the title of the act?
and the Bihar College Service Commission Act 1976.
Where is the act? You are bringing something. Bihar College Service. Is it Bihar College Service Commission Act
Milord,
1976?
Milord, that is the Act.
You are a law graduate? Leave me.
यूनिवर्सिटी लॉ में बिहार कॉलेज सर्विस कमीशन में ये मैनुअल ऑफ बिहार यूनिवर्सिटीज लॉ पेज 217 पर देखिए ना, पार्ट 1 का पेज 217 पर.
Which is the relevant section for the purpose of regularization?
Milord, it is section 2.
Section 2.
Milord, establishment of college service commission for the appointment of teachers of the affiliated colleges and intermediate colleges and its power and functions.
No, recommendation of commission is binding.
That is Milord, section 9, subsection 9 of section 2, Milord. On the
No,
next page.
This is not relating to regularization.
Milord,
This is not relating to regularization.
Milord, subsection 9 speaks, Milord.
Subsection?
9 of section 2. Subsection 9, Milord, of section 2. On the next page, Milord.
Nowhere it is stated that matter relates to regularization.
Milord,
Where is the regularization?
just I am reading, Milord. The commission shall recommend for appointment to every post of teacher names of 2 persons arranged in order of preference and considered by the commission to be the best qualified therefore. The recommendations shall be valid for 1 year from the date of the recommendation by the commission.
No, we are not getting that.
Subsection 9, my lord. At page, next page, my lord,
Subsection 9.
of section 2. Yes, my lord.
Subsection 9 start with recommendation of commission is binding upon governing body.
Huh? No, my lord. Subsection 9 of section 2, my lord, of this act. Bihar College Service Commission Act, my lord. Subsection 2.
Yes,
Section 2 of
1976 Bihar College Service Commission
my
Act.
lord.
And
Section 2, subsection 9, my lord.
no, he is saying
On the next page, my lord.
no. Where is the word regularization? No, it is not relating to regularization.
It is.
Show me one word in this any of the section relating to regularization.
My lord, my lord, if my lord would be pleased to see subsection 8, in making recommendation for appointment to every post of teacher of any affiliate college and intermediate colleges, the commission shall have the assistance of such expert and shall be governed by such conditions as have been laid down in section 57 of Bihar State University Act 1976 in this Bihar. Then my lord 9 says, the commission shall recommend for appointment to every post of teacher names of 2 persons arranged in order of preference and considered by the commission to be the best qualified.
Which page you are reading?
No, that is somewhere
Subsection
else.
9, my lord, I am reading.
In our book, subsection 9 is relating to
Section
Recommendation
2
of
of subsection, my lord, subsection 9 of section 2 I am reading.
take out that book. Six amendment. He
And 9 is it. Section 2, subsection 9.
oh, this is a rules. Wait, don't turn the pages.
Who is my lord commencement of the commencement of the public service commission for appointment of teachers of the affiliated colleges. Affiliated colleges are empowered and posted. Bihar College Service Commission Act, section 2.
It is not there. We are Constitution Commission.
Appointment of teachers.
1976 volume 1 में
Volume 1. Volume 1. Please पढ़ना है. He is talking about it.
Nowhere it is relating to regularization. We will not accept.
9 commission
Shall recommend.
Where is the scheme of regularization?
My lord, for the purpose of regularization of with the services of affiliated colleges, my lord.
Sir, this what you are reading is not, does not in respect of regularization of a ad hoc lecturer.
My lord, previously it was section 56 of University Act, my lord, which has now been amended, and 57.
Sir, show me from this act
Yes.
one word relating to regularization of employees of the affiliated college.
My lord, because this, my lord, this,
No, there is no such
Yes,
provision.
what do you say? Under which regulation you are entitled for regularization?
My lord, so far the college service commission is concerned, there is no scheme of regularization, your lordships.
Huh?
It refers to only
You
recommendation.
don't know. You don't know.
Lordships.
Please don't say whatever you want to say. We want provision of law. Is there any scheme relating to regularization of ad hoc employees of the affiliated
My lord,
college or not?
There is a scheme with respect to regularization under the Bihar State University Act, Your Lordships.
Where is the provision, regularization?
Section 57, capital A of the Bihar State University Act, 1976.
Read. Read yourself and please point out, is there any word of regularization?
Now,
Regularization or absorption?
yeah. My lord, now this provision has been amended, a new provision.
Sir, all right, sir, we want to know from as on 1996, 97 or 2000 or 2006, what was the existing law?
Lordships. Yes, my lord. Section 57, capital A. The appointment of teacher of affiliated colleges not maintained by the state government shall be made by the governing body on recommendation of the College Service Commission. Dismissal, termination, removal, retirement from the service or demolition in rank of teacher of such colleges shall be done by the governing
That
body
is not relating to regularization, that is relating to appointment and further imposition of penalty. We will summon the registrar university.
Regularization.
If your lordships
Statutory provision for regularization or scheme. That is the only thing. This condition of affiliation and other things that you should recommend name, two names, and it will be valid for 1 year and all. How is it relevant for the purpose of regularization or absorption?
In this case, after we tried,
No, according to him, the recommendation should be valid for 1 year. Therefore, in the absence of recommendation, no question of absorption or regularization.
after that one lapse of 1 year, we started pursuing that private sector. That followed that calculation. Thereafter, we pick and choose. After those people were taking them, they were also given a reason for what they have.
Keep your registrar present in the court.
Clear?
Keep your registrar present in the court.
My lord,
Because you are not assisting this court. The
Yes.
question is whether respondent is entitled to regularization or absorption in the cadre of lecturer in an affiliation college or not.
my lord, I wanted to
That
demonstrate.
is under which provision you are not able to assist this
My
court.
lord, I am assisting, I am not, because I am not properly persuading my lord, what I said.
Sir,
my lord.
whatever you
My lord,
you are quoting, I am for the
Lord,
third
under-
time I am asking you, show me one word of regularization in what you are quoting in section
My lord.
2(9).
my lord, that, for that, my lord, I would draw my lord's kind attention to my lord, section 57A of Bihar University Act 1976. 57A, my lord.
All right, read. Show me
Yes.
one word.
My lord.
The matter relates to regularization.
Yes, my lord. It is with respect to the appointment of teachers in affiliated colleges, my lord. It says, my lord, 1. Appointment of teacher of affiliated colleges not maintained by the state government shall be made by the governing body on recommendation of College Service Commission, my lord.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
for the third or fourth time I am repeating, show me one word, regularization or absorption.
Appointment.
That is not relating to regularization or absorption.
My lord, it is with respect to appointment.
Yes, take down.
Your
The
lordship,
Lord Counsel for the petitioner could not apprise this court. Could not apprise this court. Crux of the matter in the present petition is whether respondent is respondent who was appointed as a lecturer on ad hoc basis in the Department of Physics, College, Chatterjee College, Buxar, on 29/7/1988. Full stop. The petitioner's respondent's name was stated to have been recommended for the purpose of absorption/regularization on 18/1/2000. There was an inaction on the part of the concerned petitioner. Full stop. Today Lord Counsel for the petitioner is relying on some of the provisions of the Bihar College Service Commission Act 1976, which is nothing to do with the respondent's claim relating to absorption/regularization. Full stop. In order to facilitate in deciding the present matter, it is necessary to have an assistance of a registrar of the university petitioner. Therefore, registrar of the petitioner university shall be present with all records on the next date of hearing. Full stop. Before appearance on the next date of hearing, registrar university shall examine in respect of the aforesaid issue narrated in this order, so as to apprise this court which is the relevant provision for the purpose of regularization/absorption of a ad hoc lecturer/employee in an affiliated college. List this matter after 2 weeks. You are representing who?
I am representing the my lord appellant.
A copy of this order shall be sent to the registrar. Which university?
Veer Kumar Singh University.
Magad University. Huh? Veer Kumar Singh University.
the respondent
Further
number
also
2 and
you
3.
Further also you.
They are party, Veer University is a party respondent.
Yeah,
number-
but no one is appearing on behalf
Lord,
of the university.
Secretary, first petitioner is also hereby directed to appear. Let them appear both.
Your lordship, since your lordship has passed the order, but the amendment says that prior to amendment in 2015,
Sir, show me one word, regularization.
there was no such regulation. It has come
Therefore, there must be some other document, scheme.
in preamble of the Amendment Act 2000.
Sir, if you don't know, please don't address. Just because some absorption and regularization is required, we can't incorporate or rely on some other statute.
And please answer on that point also, that those people were regularly being recommended. That recommendation was not for 1 year. The name that has been incorporated in the
Yes,
single judge order.
The college is doing a pick and choose method for the purpose of regularization.
No, my lord, for his recommendation by the
We'll take
college
note
service.
of that and impose exemplary cost.
If
I am
You should-
still,
you
I am
should be
still
fair.
continuing your lordship.
You should stick to Article 14 and 16.
my lord.